Kini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
And we're back mga kapuso. You are still watching GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Kapuso kimigyan nga si Tetay, kilalahon ta upod kay Kate Revilla sa Bisto. Kate, good morning!
Thank you, Adrian. Puno sang kasadya kag inspirasyon ang sigurado nga igadulong sang aton nga guest subong nga aga. Makachika ta subong ang kapuso comedian nga si Tetay. Good morning, Tetay, and welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Good morning, Miss Kate, and thanks for having me here, GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you so much rin, Tetay, and we are really glad na nakasama ka namin ngayon. Anyway, how are you and your family this quarantine?
Alam mo, that's the question I've been avoiding. Hindi, how are you? Oh, actually, okay naman na po. Okay na. My mom's doing well naman. She's okay kasi kami na lang mommy ko magkasama dito. Everything's working pretty well naman, Miss Kate. And I'm just so happy to give you that answer. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Ikaw ba, ano ba yung mga na-discover mo sa sarili mo o kaya yung mga skills na na-unlock mo during this time?
What I learned, honestly, is to have more faith and you pray more. And then what I learned, another thing that I learned is marunong pala akong mangusina. Hindi naman siya nagrereklamo, pero yung you get to experiment yung ibang mga normal na kinakain mo, you cook it differently. So, yun, marunong pa ako mangusina, and then my faith with God is, I think, much stronger ngayon.
Yes, we are happy to know that, Tetay. At this time, nagkaroon ka ng matinding karamdaman before nung nalaman mo na meron kang cancer. So, what was going on to your mind?
Yung buong mundo mo, yung wala. So, bumagsak siya. Pero, nagpapasalamat naman ako dun sa yung family and friends, yung support system nila, and I'm just so happy na wala na siya kasi it's painful physically.
Paano mo ba nalaman? Where did it start?
Sabi ko, this is not parang normal like stomach pain lang siya or ganyan, hindi naman siya ganun. I went to the doctor, tapos ayun, nagpa-check ako. Sabi niya, yeah, you have cancer. Parang, huh? When he told me that, I was like, pero hindi ka na mabiro. I went to another doctor, and then yun din ginawa. Isa lang ang pinagpapasalamat ko that I'm, like, wala na ako doon. So, I'm very, very thankful for that.
So ngayon, when the quarantine started, everyone needs to do some adjustments. And in your case, kamusta ba ang naging adjustment mo since you started working from home?
In a snap, whoops, iba na siya. Like, yung, what is work from home? When home is supposed to be like, you're supposed to be resting lang. Pero like, wala tayong choice. Everything, like Zoom meeting. I'm not techie pa naman. Nag-storycon kami. First storycon namin sa Zoom na ang hirap na yung iisipin mo na siya, walang taping, yun lang pinakakitaan mo. So, I was able to sell siguro some stuff na hindi ko na ginagamit.
You also started sharing your nakaka-good vibes na mga videos through your Tetay TV YouTube channel. So, ano ba yung naging motivation and objective mo dito?
Masaya yung ginagawa mo, na-enjoy mo. So, yun po. Tapos, my friends naman were so kind to help me para magsimula noon. I really cannot thank them enough. And it makes me so happy every time I read like hundreds of mga comments. So parang it makes me like, alam mo yun, yung do more fun videos.
Eto naman, Teta, you are part of the newest show ng Kapuso Network, ang I Can See You. Ano bang dapat naming abangan sa kay Tetay sa High Rise Lovers episode?
The character here is si RuPaul, so yun yung gagampanan ko. I've been wanting to work with Mr. Tom Rodriguez, Miss Lovie po, Miss Teresa Palisaga, Miss Winwin. So parang, oh my God, thank you. Ang ganda ng balik ng trabaho namin.
So invite mo naman ang lahat na manood ng I Can See You High Rise Lovers at mga ibang shows mo na rin, and also to follow you on all your social media accounts.
Yung I Can See You, yung episode po namin, High Rise Lovers, kasama ko po na kung napaka-sexy, napakaganda, very talented Miss Lovie po, at ang future husband ko, I always tell him this, Mr. Tom Rodriguez. And then Mr. Teresa Palisaga and Winwin Marquez, directed by Monty Parungao. And then also, please like and subscribe sa mga YouTube channel ko, Divine Teta. And also follow my social media, yung Divine, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Divine Tetay.
And lastly, meron ka bang pampagood vibes na message para sa ating mga Kapuso viewers ngayong umaga?
Alam mo, isipin nyo na lang na the mere fact na gumising kayo, that's another day, that's a wonderful gift na. So you just have to be thankful for that. And you'll always have a choice naman if you want to be sad and happy. Just choose na lang to be happy because life is so beautiful for it to be wasted na yung makasimangot na lang. Stay happy, have more faith, and exercise. And exercise, that's for myself. Charot.
Maraming salamat talaga. Mas natutunan naming maging more grateful with everything that we have today. Maraming salamat for your time, Tetay.
Maraming salamat po, Miss Kate, and thank you so much again for inviting me here. Ingat po kayo palagi na ang ganda-ganda mo. Sana bukas pagising ko ganyan ako kaganda. Promise.
Wow. Thank you so much, Tetay. Dira lang kamo mga Kapuso. Madamo pa sang dapat ninyong atutukan sa pagbalik sa GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.